This video features a preview from one of Texas Wildlife Association's on-demand youth webinars. Please enjoy the preview and look out for program details at the end. Today, we are going to talk about prairie dogs. There are 5 species or types of prairie dogs found in North America. Today, we're going to focus on the black-tailed prairie dog, which are found in the area outlined in green on this map. The black-tailed prairie dog is found in Texas and is a very important member of the prairie or grassland ecosystem in which it lives. This is a black-tailed prairie dog, named for the black tip on the end of its tail. Prairie dogs are in the rodent family. Rodents generally have large eyes, front feet which they use to hold their food, and are identified by a set of ever-growing flat incisor teeth in the front of their mouth. This is what a typical rodent skull looks like. Can you name some other kinds of rodents? Let's take a look at some rodents and identify the similar features. Here are some examples of rodents: beavers, squirrels, rats, and porcupines. All of these rodents have the characteristic flat, sharp front incisor teeth and short or squat bodies with short limbs. Now that you know some of its closest relatives, let's take a look at some of the physical features or characteristics of prairie dogs. Prairie dogs have tan hair to help them blend in with their environment. Do you know the scientific term to describe coloration that allows an animal to blend in? The correct term is camouflage. This tan hair allows them to camouflage themselves against the ground, so it is difficult for predators to see them. Prairie dogs also have long claws, which allow them to dig the burrows in which they live. Also, like most rodents, they use their front feet to hold food while eating. Like all rodents, prairie dogs also have whiskers. Whiskers help animals feel their way around their environment in situations where they cannot rely on their sense of sight. Whiskers are a common adaptation found in nocturnal animals because they are active when it is dark outside. However, prairie dogs are diurnal. Do you know what diurnal means? I'll give you a hint. It is the opposite of nocturnal. Diurnal animals are awake and active during the day and sleep at night, like people do. If prairie dogs are diurnal or awake during the day, why do you think they have whiskers to feel their way around their environment? Prairie dogs have whiskers because they live in underground burrows. This photograph was taken of a prairie dog inside its burrow. It is dark underground, so they need to be able to feel their way through the tunnels. Their sensitive whiskers help them sense their environment in the dark. Another adaptation, which allows prairie dogs to live underground, is their strong legs and claws, specially adapted for digging burrows. A prairie dog's clawed front feet allow them to dig underground tunnels, and their powerful back legs push dirt out of the way. We will talk about burrows in more detail soon.